The coronavirus, or COVID-19 virus, has the entire world anxious and concerned. Government officials are urging that everyone do everything they can to help slow the spread of the disease so that it doesn't overwhelm the healthcare system. They're urging that everyone consider wearing a mask when they're outside, not the N95 surgical mask that doctors and nurses wear in the hospital, but just something to cover your face. Now, masks are likely going to be in short supply, and if you don't have one, I'm going to show you something where you can quickly make one. All you need is a piece of cloth the size of a bandana and 2 rubber bands. All you have to do is place the cloth face down on a flat surface. Fold the top to the center. Fold the bottom to the center. Now turn it over. Fold the top to the center. Fold the bottom to the center. Take your rubber bands. Put them on about here. Here, turn it over. Now, fold it into the center on both sides. Tuck one side inside the other. And that's it. In less than 2 minutes, you've got a pretty good mask that will protect you and the people that you come in contact with. It's fast and it's easy. All you have to do now is put the rubber band around your ears. Make some adjustments, and voila, you're ready to go. Be safe.